Selecting the foreground and background color is a pretty easy concept. Let's go down to the icons. The black square over here, this represents the foreground color, okay? And the white box behind it is appropriately the background color. And if I wanted a different color for the foreground, I just click on the foreground icon and select a different color. Let's go ahead and choose red. Here we go, I'll just bring it right here. And we're going to talk about the color picker in the next video. But right now, let's just choose red. And if you really want to choose any color you want, you can. But I'm just going to go ahead and the first thing I do, of course, is move the slider. So I have it down here, which is pretty close to red. And I'm going to use this bigger box over here to specify what kind of red I want. So this is good enough. You can choose any color you like, but I'm going to press OK, and notice that the foreground color here is no longer black, it's now red. And I can do the same thing with the background color. Basically, I just click on what is now the background color of white. So there you see I can set the background color and do the same thing. Let's go ahead and choose blue. And there you have it, red and blue. Now the other thing I want to point out is this tiny little icon right here. And basically what this does is, as you see right there, default foreground and background color. So if I click on that, you'll notice that my foreground color and background colors returns to black and white respectively. And this icon right here, okay, this icon here that kind of has an arrow pointing to the left and downward, allows me to switch it. Now let's see if the alt tag appears. Yep, there you go. Switch foreground and background colors. I click and notice now the white is the foreground and the black is the background. So let's go back and select the red and blue again. I'm going to go ahead and click. There I have the red for the foreground. To change the background, I click on the black and choose blue for the background. And now I can go ahead and switch it back and forth. And that's how it all works.